Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the trend score indicator. Before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 257 indicators. And out of those 257 indicators, 100 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 100 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the trend score indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, trend score indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Basically, it is an oscillating line, and it works kind of similar to how we would use like the RSI. It's kind of hard to see, and so let me actually bump up the line weight of these. There we go. That made it a little bit more visible there. There we go. So you see this green line and the red line. And so those are a kind of a designation of the trend. And so what we are looking for is, unlike the RSI where we would wait for the oscillating line to come above this and then break back down, what we are looking for is the line to just break up above. And so when it breaks up above the green line, that is a signal to go long, which is why the top line is green. And on the bottom side, when it breaks down below the bottom red line, that is a signal to go short. That's why that line is red. Pretty simple setup. Not a whole lot to it other than that. We're just looking for the oscillating line to break up either up above or down below. All right, so before we get on with the testing process, so the TradingView platform is a great platform to use for backtesting, As most of you, any of you who have watched my videos know how easy it is to use the bar replay function. So that way it is very similar to being able to back test your strategy in like a real-time type fashion. Very, very useful when you're trying to test indicators and strategies. The other great thing that you can use on TradingView is a paper trading or simulation account. And so I believe you do have to sign up for the paid version. I think like the $30 version. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's been so many years since I've had TradingView that it slips my mind at the moment. But when you get access to the paper trading account, you can see here that it has a paper trading tab at the bottom, which keeps track of how much equity you can give yourself and all your different trades and so on. It's extremely useful. If you want to do a paper trade, basically you just right click on the screen, go to create a new order, and you can see here that it brings up the tab off to the side, and you can basically interact with this just like you are trading and in real time. So extremely useful. So if you're looking for a demo trading account, paper trading account, you want to know how to open one of those, you just sign up for TradingView, and it comes with that kind of as an add-on for signing up for an account. Okay, so let's get on with the testing process here. Like I said, pretty simple. We're looking for a cross above or a breakdown below. Looks like we get the first cross takes place right about there. That one worked out really well for us. You can see that it continued down rather significantly after giving us the entry signal. Then we pick up a short, or a long signal right there. Looks like this one barely stopped us out as it pulled back right here. The tail of that candle would have gotten us at the 90 pips, just barely. So that one would have stopped us out. It happens. Let's see. So we get a let's see here. Looking at the coordinates of the line there. So that's actually negative. Trying to figure out the exact coordinates over here on the side to see if that's actually a cross down below right there. It's reading as 0. I'm going to say no. I mean, it barely looks like it crosses down there, but the coordinates are at 0. So having a hard time of seeing exactly where 0 is over here. But it looks like the red line is at 0. And so it didn't cross below it. Looks like it came down and touched it. So we won't call that a cross down. Let's look over here on the other side, whereas right here you can see that let's delete this one because we didn't use it. We can see here that on that particular one there it did get to 6, and so it looks like 5 is the actual line of the green line, so 6. So that one definitely would have been a long signal. And immediately it crossed down for a short right there. That one would have stopped us out as well. And then we would have picked up a long right there. That one would have gotten us to take profit. Continue playing it on here. I'm actually going to cut some of the video out here so that way it doesn't get too long. I'll pick back up when we get closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's finish up these last couple of signals here. Then we'll count them out and see what we were able to get out of the trend score. indicator. There, and then a short there. And then, yes, that does put us at the end of the year right there. Zoom all this in. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So we have 23 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It does definitely catch, decent trends when the market's really moving. But when the market starts to get a little choppy, it starts to throw a lot of false signals, do weird things. So yeah, unfortunately, this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.